Hey YouTube, I'm trying to launch a channel. This is our first build, just got in the shop. This is a 1942 Chevy cab off of a World War II Deuce-Naff. I'm going to be trying to upload weekly videos of our progress of this build. If you're interested, go to my channel, Colorado Grown, youtube.com, and hopefully you like what you see. Hey guys, this is part one of the brand new Rat Rod build. Today we are taking the brake lines off this axle and preparing it for the 4-link suspension so we can start measuring the frame. Alrighty, now that we have our rear axle prepped and ready to go, we have our pinion angle set at around 2 degrees, but we're probably going to change that later. That's just for right now. And I'm going to unbox this right now, our 4-link suspension, and we're going to tack it on here, not permanently, but just for right now to start getting an idea of how we want our 4-link suspension.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Okay, this is our 4-link rear suspension setup. So far, we have decided that we're gonna have to modify these lower brackets to fit a 3.5-inch axle, because those are not that size. So we're gonna have to modify those to fit 3.5 inches. And also, for reasons, I guess, this kit did not include the upper link mounts for the differential, so we're gonna have to make those later. Just, you know, fabricate them. And so for right now, we're gonna modify these lower brackets so they can fit that axle. Okay, so got our bag mounts nice and modified. They now fit on the axle tube flush. Also cleaned up the axle with a grinder wheel. Now we are going to get our link mounts welded on there. My bug!
Oh. What are you doing?
Okay, we got our lower link mounts tacked on and our bag mounts tacked on. We still have to do the upper link mounts, but this will probably be it for this video. Next video, we're gonna be taking all this stuff off the firewall so we can get this engine shoved back, cut that out, get the engine shoved back so we can start measuring for the frame, start figuring out frame lengths. But this is our first video of the 4-link suspension.